We were hired in Kissimmee, Florida, to clean and sanitize 3 areas of the carpet. The master bedroom and 2 other rooms had carpets. So the procedure is vacuuming really good to remove all the dry soil. And any person can vacuum, but the proper way to vacuum is north to south, south to north. Take your time. Then east to west, west to east. You have to vacuum in 4 different directions, so all the fibers of the carpet will remove all the dry soil or the dust accumulated on the carpets. The main concern of this new tenant was remove the most bacteria and dust from the carpet. This is the reason why she hired us. We pre-spray, deodorize, scrub, extract, and rinse. You can search our company, anyhousecleaning.com, plenty of really good videos on YouTube with more than 8,000 subscribers, really good reviews on Google. 407-572-4118. Thank you.